We are back with the red turd. That's mean. Well, nah. Mitchell is currently hoovering out the inside of it because the sunroof, or whatever the fuck you'd call that, is leaking like a sieve because it won't seal up properly. So it's basically a red swimming pool at the minute. We've got a battery with voltage this time. Hopefully, it was just the voltage was too low for the pump to work. So we'll give it that a go. If not, I'll hot wire the pump to the battery with a fuse and a switch, and then hopefully we'll then have fuel pressure. But we shall see. So I'll get the battery in and we'll see what happens. Right, flick the ignition on for me, please, sir.
Might need to do the tappy on the starter as well.
Oh yeah. Just flick it on in a minute. Let's see if the fuel pump goes. Got lights?
Got lights, but I only have the fuel pump.
Give it a bump. Oh, stop. Tool of Jeremy Clarkson. Go on then. Yeah. Right, just gonna knock this check valve out just to see if we got anything. Is the ignition still on?
No, right off.
Just make sure. Oh, try it a minute. Right, okay. Right. Put my booster pack on it. Oh, yeah. Right, let me turn that on. Go on and give it a fire up.
Full fire up.
Yeah, just start it, see if it starts. I've got the throttle. Don't press the throttle.
Yes.
Right. It doesn't idle. We've definitely got spark.
No.
So we need to work out. We need to find out what the fuse is for the fuel rail. For the fuel pump. Could also be ignition switch. Could be an ignition switch issue.
Sean.
But they've also said try fucking doing it with the ball valve. The plug and ball out. See if it runs fuel that way.
Ball out.
Yeah, take this out. Off. Right. Just turn the ignition on.
Not honey.
Shall I crank it? Try again. Yeah. Nothing. Did you take that relay out as well?
I haven't taken the relay out yet, no.
Let's check the relay.
Oh, shake.
Let's get this apart. Have a look. Hey, that really is. So, this is the fuel pump relay. That to me doesn't look very good at all. It looks a bit cooked. So that might be our issue. You're never in a fucking hurry to do anything.
Spanner.
Just pull the fucking black lace off.
Oh yeah. I thought it was.
I can rest it down. So I'll take the upper fucking. You just thought I was having a meander about. Fucking. I heard a crackle. I thought, oh, that's a bit odd. I didn't know if it was me rubbing on the crusty carpet. So, this is the issue. Well, these bad boys, I'll take it apart and I'll show you the inside, but it is cooked on one of the coils. So for some reason it had two coils. You've got one here, one there. That does a switch and that does a switch. Seems a bit unnecessary, to be honest with you. But I'm going to try and bypass one of the coils because this one is cooked. So the relay is kaput. I did manage to bodge it, so half of it was permanently fed, but that's still not working. When you turn the ignition on, it does click if you listen, but it's not doing fuck all. So back to plan B. However, I'll tell you what we have fixed. We've managed to sort this roof out. So if I hold that, I've not got enough fingies. Basically, the roof was stuck open, but we've worked it out. So if I get Mitchell to flick the roof on, oh no, he's going to hold the button. He's holding the button, and then we press this little button down here. Can't see it. This one. Oh. Oh, it's given up the ghost. I've turned the ignition off. It's okay. It's okay. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Look at that.
Correction.
Let go. No. Press it. Uh-oh. Boom. One roof. Fitted. Kind of. The motor's a bit weak. And the battery's quite soggy. So, although saying that, I might be able to put my jump pack on it and give it enough. Get some more juice. But, so no running today. It did kind of run, but we got no fuel, so it's not idling. It is what it is. That's better. I could just stare at a fucking. Anyway, Dunzo for the time being till we get a relay. I've just wiped shit on my nose.